Hello and welcome to this introduction to FortiAppSec Cloud's advanced bot protection. Today, bots are a critical security risk for web applications across many sectors. The most common bot attacks include denial of service. Malicious bots overwhelm servers with automated traffic, making the website or application unavailable to real customers, users, or citizens. These attacks can target any industry. Account takeover. Bots use credential stuffing to gain unauthorized access to user accounts, enabling theft of personal information or assets. Any service with user accounts are at risk of these attacks. Automated account creation. Bots generate fake accounts at scale to manipulate public opinion, bypass purchasing limits to hoard inventory, steal course content, or commit financial fraud through bogus loan and insurance applications. Content scraping. Bots extract articles, paywalled material, and creative assets for republication, hurting search rankings through duplication, or weaponize scraped assets to deploy convincing phishing scams at scale. Price scraping. Bots continuously harvest pricing data at scale, enabling rapid undercutting and automated pricing manipulation. This is particularly prevalent in e-commerce, travel, and event ticketing platforms. FortiAppSec Cloud's advanced bot protection service is a SaaS solution that detects and blocks sophisticated bots before they can compromise your web applications. It works by integrating with the native WAF or an on-premises FortiWeb/FortiADC device, providing suggested allow or block actions in response to detected activity. When Advanced Bot Protection or ABP is used with a FortiAppSec Cloud WAF application, ABP prompts WAF to inject JavaScript to the client's browser for sampling information. The Cloud WAF analyzes each request and provides ABP with traffic fingerprints and telemetry data. ABP evaluates these signals using its machine learning models and threat intelligence to classify the activity as human or automated. If ABP indicates that the client is legitimate, WAF performs its security check and then forwards the traffic to the backend server. If the activity deviates significantly from the learned patterns, ABP flags it as anomalous and potentially malicious. Advanced bot protection is also designed to seamlessly integrate with on-premises FortiWeb and FortiADC devices. In this setup, the on-premises device injects JavaScript into the client's browser and forwards the collected information to ABP for analysis. Advanced bot protection addresses 5 common attack categories in the Protection Entries feature. You can configure protection entries to define specific URLs on your website that are vulnerable to bot attacks. Here are some ways ABP detects and stops malicious bots. The IP Reputation Database maintains a real-time database of known or suspicious IP addresses associated with bots and blocks traffic from them. Browser fingerprinting. Building unique visitor fingerprints by cross-referencing browser and device attributes to identify repeat offenders, detect crawlers, and flag browser and operating system inconsistencies. Biometric detection. Analyzes visitors' device interactions to determine if a user is a real human or a bot, as biometric signals are difficult for bots to fake. This includes monitoring client events, mouse movements, such as scrolling behavior and clicks, and keyboard clicks. Machine learning models that are trained on vast datasets and continuously refined, enabling increasingly accurate and adaptive bot detection over time. And comprehensive analytics that provide detailed bot traffic analytics and attack forensics to enhance understanding of bot patterns and strategies. Beyond effective bot blocking, the ABP service provides detailed insights, track bot traffic, identify malicious transactions, monitor account activity, and more in the Advanced Bot Protection module on the FortiAppSec portal. Sophisticated bots are a threat to many industries, and FortiAppSec Cloud Advanced Bot Protection is built to stop them. For detailed feature documentation and configuration instructions, see the Advanced Bot Protection section in the FortiAppSec Cloud user guide on docs.fortinet.com. Thank you for watching.